In a landmark decision, two of the world's biggest tech, Apple and Google, have been hit with major legal verdicts that could change the tech landscape forever. Stay tuned to find out what this means for you. First up, Google. A US judge has ruled that Google has been illegally maintaining its monopoly over internet search, stifling competition and innovation. This decision comes after a lengthy trial involving top executives from Google, Microsoft, and Apple. With Google controlling over 89% of the search market, this ruling could have massive implications for how we use the internet. But what does this mean for the average user? The same ruling has left Apple with some tough choices. For years, Google has paid Apple billions to be the default search engine on iPhones too. But with this new verdict, that deal is in jeopardy. Apple might have to consider alternatives like Microsoft's Bing, but that could mean less revenue and a different user experience for iPhone users. And it's not just the US. The European Court of Justice has ruled against both Apple and Google. Apple has been ordered to pay 13 billion euros in back tax, while Google faces additional antitrust fine. These rulings are part of a larger effort by global regulators to rein in the power of big tech. So, what does this all mean? In the short term, you won't notice much, but in the long term, these rulings could lead to more competition, better service, and even lower prices. It's a complex issue, but one thing is clear. The tech world is changed, and we're all going to feel the impact. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in tech. What do you think about these? Let us know in the comments below.